Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is Curious Kids General Knowledge Class 5th book. Lesson number 9, Indian Religions. Answer the following question regarding different aspects of various religions of India. Who is the Hindu god of rain and thunder? Indra. 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 With which Hindu god is the Tandava dance associated? Shiva. 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 Which Hindu god is considered to be the king of gods? Indra. 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 Who is the Hindu goddess of music, arts, and learning? Saraswati. 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 Who was the 24th Tirthankar of the Jains? Mahavir. Mahavira. Mahavir. Who founded the Parsi religion? Zoroaster. 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 Who do Zoroaster? What do you call a person who believes in many gods? Polytheist. 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 What do you call a person who worship only one God? Monotheist. 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 What is Gate of Mercy? Where is it located? Jewish synagogue at Mumbai. JEWISSYNAGOGUE. Jewish Synagogue. 88 MUMBAI. Mumbai. Jewish Synagogue at Mumbai. What do you call a person who is blindly and obstinately devoted to a particular faith? Bigot. 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 How many books are there in the New Testament? 27. Who founded Sikhism? Guru Nanak Dev. GURU. Guru. NANAK. Nanak. DEV. Dev. Guru Nanak Dev. Which is the largest mosque of India? Jama Masjid. JAMA. Jama Masjid. To whom is Lumbini related? Gautam Buddha. Gautam. Gautam. Buddha. Buddha. Gautam Buddha. Where did Gautam Buddha obtain enlightenment? Bodh Gaya. Bodhgaya. Bodh Gaya.